Hey everyone, welcome to No Guilt Just Pleasures. We are going to make this burger today. As you can see, it's going to be super creamy, delicious, and proteinaceous because we're going to use egg in it. And the healthy twist is that I've used anta buns in it. So this is going to be really tasty and healthy. So let's start. So these buns you can order it online or just get it from any store. Just cut them from where the mark is for cutting, and then do not apply any butter. If you want then you can, but I just didn't want that in my burger, so I didn't. Just use a non-stick pan and you're gonna get a very toasty burger with that. Use the egg. Now crack it open directly on the non-stick pan right away. You don't have to whisk it somewhere or anything. Then spread the egg white using a knife or the spoon, and little bit of this yolk portion over this. So basically it's a sunny side up of some sort. You can give it any desired shape. Now we're going to sprinkle some salt over on this portion when it's not completely cooked. It should be as per as your taste buds. Then some chili flakes. You can use black pepper here as well. I'm not using in this particular recipe. So now when you think that this bottom side is cooked and all the top side doesn't look any liquidy, then use any spatula or anything and then turn it over. A lot of people like their egg yolk runny, means not cooked properly, but I personally don't like it that way, so I'm cooking it. Some people don't. So if you're one of them, then you don't have to cook it from the other side. Now this is done as well. Now let's arrange a burger. That's the most exciting part. So this recipe is like super delicious, but it has not much work in it. This is mayonnaise. Spread it evenly. Now you can apply as much as you like. So this much is like sufficient in this for the creamy taste. Some tomatoes. Then some tomato ketchup over the tomatoes. Some onion rings. Then goes our sunny side up egg omelette, whatever you want to call it. And then some greens, which is super important to make it complete. Now the top side, use ketchup and mayo, both. Mix that on the top of the burger or on a separate bowl. And then we're gonna, you can sprinkle some salt over it as well, or some masalas if you want, but this was really good when I had it, so this didn't require any salt other than what we already have in ketchup and that egg that we made. The burger is done, super healthy, super delicious, and it didn't take any time. So you must try this, and if you really like this recipe, and super, it's gonna be super delicious. I'm telling you, you must try this in your lunch, in your evening snacks, or your breakfast on Sunday. This is really good. If you really like this, hit the like button. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get all the videos whenever I post it. So if you have any queries, any suggestions, or if you want me to make something special for you, you can reach out to me through comments down below, and I'm definitely going to reply or come up with that recipe that you want me to make. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.